Right. So we are here with one more interfacing program called square wave generation using BSR mode. So in 8255 mainly we have two types of modes. One is IO mode and another one is BSR mode. In IO mode the 7th bit of CWR should be 1. In BSR mode it should be 0. So we are going to generate a square wave in a BSR mode. For that, first we are initializing that command using these three instructions for 8255. Now this in particularly BSR mode is used for setting and resetting port C bits. Means suppose in port C we are having a 8 pins, port C 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can set or reset particular bit of port C. That is why this BSR mode is used. So BSR mode is used for setting or resetting a particular pins of port C. Now in this entire program we are going to use this port C of 8255 here. Now how we are doing that? So initially in which port pin we want to observe the output waveform to be selected. So here I have selected, so move AL comma 09. 09 nothing but 0 0 1 0 0 1. So this in this command word, so the last 4 bits are 0. So these 3 bits represents which port C pin you want to use to set or reset, and the first bit which 1 means set and 0 means reset. For setting, so 09 I have given a command, means I am going to set port C, 4th pin of port C, since 100 is there. And if you want to reset, I am going to reset the same pin by giving this as 0, means 08, means for port C point 4. So I can set or reset. So for setting 09, resetting 08. By using this command I can observe, by using these commands in the program I can set or reset this PC4, and from those pins only we are going to observe the output waveform. So see, observe the logic. First of all I have set is, so I have set that port C4 pin using move AL comma 09 out DXAL. So after setting that, for generating a square wave I require some delay, right? So square wave nothing but periodically it has to stay in a constant level. So now by making 09 I am setting that port C pin. After setting this I have to stay there for some duration, that is called delay here. So I am giving some delay using count register, and I am doing nothing, no operation, loop back until that count becomes 0. Means port C pin will be stored at a level high until the count becomes 0. After that I am again resetting that pin, I am resetting it to 0. And again here I want this 0 to be maintained for particular duration. For that also I have given a loop by using a count register, and I am just repeating the same for generation of a square wave, as simple as that. Hope you understand. Suppose you can change, for if you want to change any pins, for example, so if you want to set a PC1 means these 3 pins should be 001, means for setting it is 0011, resetting 0010. You can use 03 and 02 for setting and resetting port C first bit, PC1. Likewise, any combination of bits you can select, that particular bit can be set or reset using BSR mode, and from those pins only we are going to observe the output waveform. In this particular program, so we don't use this DAC kit, we do not require this DAC kit, we require only this 8255 which is already there in this kit, and this is the FRC cable. So in this FRC cable all 26 pins are there. So whatever the pins we see, this port C 4th pin is this first pin, and the last pin are the port C set and reset pins. So we are setting or resetting this one, and this is ground pin is connected. So this is PC4. For this PC4 pin we are setting or resetting the pins using this program. So I have given the program in A6000H. This is a program I have used PC4. For PC4 set or reset you can go for a 09 and 08. So for that, so now I have connected this CRO probes to PC4 pin and negative probe to ground pin in the FRC cable. Now you can see there is no output waveform available on the CRO. Now let's just execute this program by using G command, G space 6000, enter. Now you can see the CRO is showing a square waveform. So here we have not at all used this DAC. We have not even used this DAC. So only from the kit itself, from the port pins of PC4 itself, the waveform is getting generated as a square waveform. So in this way you can change any number of pins. So using this, by changing the data, so like I said 0302 for PC1, likewise you can change all the combinations and you can select which pin you want to set or reset from PC0 to PC7. Those commands are to be given here in the place of setting and resetting. So in this way BSR mode, in BSR mode we are going to generate a square waveform. Hope you understand this. Thank you. Share this among your friends for better understanding.